welcome to Kelly's Creative Dream Studios. I should say good morning because it's just a little bit before 2 a.m. on Friday morning. I can upload this video between 2 and 6 a.m. so I'm up to run the video and get it ready to go, and then I'm headed to bed. But I did get all the basic items done for my junk journal. I will link my kit video down below so you can see what the requirements were. The only thing you will see in the kit video that I swapped out was the scrapbook paper. I put it away and pulled out lace and fibers that I could use in my journal. But we were to make one envelope and an insert made from a calendar, one privacy envelope item, 3 items using a napkin, 3 items using a magazine, 3 items using an envelope, 3 items using book pages, 3 items using garment or linen, 3 items using a gift bag or bag, 3 items using a stencil, 3 items using stamping, and 3 items using jewelry. Now, a couple of things. Number one, back to the garment or linen. The garment that I pulled out was something that I had gotten from my sister, and I absolutely fell in love, knew the colors were going to be perfect for this journal. I have since learned it was not a garment, it was a tree skirt. So it was a garment for a Christmas tree. And I'm going with that. My bag is from, I actually used 2 bags so that I could have duplicate emblems, and they were from Death Wish coffee bags. I did not make 3 items using a stencil. I stenciled 4 pages within the book. And you're going to see stamping throughout, because I had the 4 actually stamp sets that were coffee themed. Most everything that I did, if I had to do 3, I made 6 so that I could have them, or I did 4 instead of 3 so that I could have them in both books. So let's start with my tassel. Tassel was not a required element, but I like to put tassels on my books. And this was one of the reasons I wanted to make sure I had lace, so I had the lace element. I'm going to add lace to pages later. I have one of my broken jewelry pieces, discarded jewelry pieces. This is an earring, and I've attached it to the top of the, where I tied the twine to tie the tassel together. And then these are all fabrics from the different fabrics that I chose to work with. I wrapped the book in linen and then topped it with some of my fabric and then my lace. My closure is a headband. Everything on here, the pictures were from my book pages. This is from like the plain border around the page, and I stamped, "I don't do mornings until I've had my coffee." And I'm going to stand to do this so I can see that I get this in frame, because I've already been out of frame once and had to start over. So bear with me. Okay. Tassel, book, caramel, coffee. Then we get into the inside, and this was, my lining is made from 2 large envelopes, actually 3 for the spine repair. They were envelopes from a box of wedding invitations from Hobby Lobby. And you'll see some of this gold. This is the inside of the envelope leaf. And you'll see some of this gold in a couple of places throughout the book. One of my book page elements. My brown pages were from a packaging. One of my other jewelry elements. This is one of my book page elements. I've got 2 of those in here. One in this signature, one in the next one. In each signature you will find 4 of these coffee bags, and this was the inspiration for this journal, and tags in each one of them. There are 3 that are Javelia and 1 that is a McCafe, so 3 gold, purple, silvery ones and a really dark one. And each signature has a map. That was one of my 5 pages that I could pick from. I chose parts of maps where coffee is grown. These are tickets from Tim Holtz. Page ribbon here using some of the fabric and the polka dotted wrapping paper. This is one of my privacy envelope pockets. with the tuck, the insert rather. This was my calendar page envelope, and I did 2 of these, 1 in each signature. And there is an insert on the inside, but I showed you that when I showed you how to make those. More of my tickets for pull tabs. Notepad. This one has lots of writing space. And tucks in there. That was one of my napkin pieces. That was one of my napkin pieces. One of my envelopes, and it has a coffee dyed journaling card on the inside. These tabs were punched using a Stampin' Up! Punch, and they are from the spine of the Death Wish coffee bag. One of my book page items. I had forgotten I did those, so I've got all kinds of book page items in here. This is another one of my book page items. This was a shipping envelope. There's my McCafe with a lighter card. Paper sack, this is where my stenciling comes in. My paper clip that I made from one of my book pages. The other back side of that shipping envelope. My belly band using my Death Wish emblem, and this is why I cut into 2 bags, because I wanted the duplicate belly band in each signature. And this was from one of my magazine pieces. Bun coffee filter. My husband bought a new bun coffee maker, and he saved the coffee filters for me. Took and laid them out on a paper plate so the coffee grounds could dry, and I could put those in the compost bin, and I could wash the coffee filter. He's such a sweetheart. I think I'm going to keep him after 36 years. Magnum ice cream bar as my insert for the other half of that privacy envelope. The half of my map. Another pocket. And then we get into the second signature, and everything is pretty much the same, just maybe in a different order. But I've got all my inclusions in here. This goes, I had this in there, but I really didn't like what showed through the privacy envelope, so I made this as one of my magazine page elements and stuck it in there. More of my stenciling. Got lots of tuck spots here that I'll seal the edges and turn into tucks and make more. There's my third jewelry piece. My other big book page pocket with a big deep pocket there, and under here and into here. Another paper sack. My center of my signature and my other paper clip. I did these little ticket clusters. My other Death Wish. This one, there was a person down in this corner, so I cut out the Starbucks caramel from one of the magazine pages and added to that. This really didn't take a lot of time. I enjoyed sitting here and playing with this tonight. But I'm ready for bed. The other thing I've got to show you are my dangles on the bottom. My signature tie dangles. The black ones are from the Death Wish coffee bag. And then the gold ones are cut from the inside of the envelope. And that is my July Just Junk Journal Challenge journal. And I will be back here tomorrow to announce the winners of my subscription giveaway. And do another shout out Saturday. We'll pull 5 more names from my box and see some of the other people that are out and about out there doing videos and seeing what they're up to. And then Sunday is Stampin' Up! Sunday. That video is scheduled and ready to roll. I am unboxing the Christmas pre-order from the new holiday catalog that goes live on August 4th. And then Monday I will be back here with my kit for Julie's August Junk Journal Challenge. She has given no hints, but tomorrow morning the details video will be live. I think she said at 10:30 Saturday morning. So make sure you're subscribed and getting notifications from Dear Julie as well, so you'll know when that video goes live, and maybe come play with us. We'd love to have you. We're a fun group. We were discussing last night in group how much we've become a family, and we really are. So I hope you'll join us. We'd love to have you. Remember to like this video, please. I'm looking for more subscribers as well. I would like to hit the 500 mark by my birthday on September 26th. And click the notification bell, and remember to tell it that you want all notifications so that you do not miss any time I upload a video. Thanks for joining me in the studio this morning. Creative blessings.